Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be learning about the climate zones and some characteristics from them. What is the main difference between weather and climate? Well, weather changes daily, and it is the temperature and conditions for the day. Often we describe weather as hot, rainy, sunny, humid, overcast, freezing, or snowy. On the other hand, climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. The climate of a location is often linked to its location in the world. Places near the equator will have a hotter climate than places near the North and South Poles, which will have a colder climate. Let's look at this. Polar is a very cold and dry all year round. For example, Antarctica. Temperate is cold winters, mild summers, such as in the UK. Arid, dry and hot all year round, such as Sahara Desert. Tropical, hot and wet all year round, Brazil. Mediterranean, dry, hot summers and mild winters, Spain. And mountainous, very cold, sometimes wet all year, like the Himalayas. Now we're going to be looking at this in a map. So as you can see, as we click in the map, we can see the different types of climates depending on the different places they are in the world. And these will have different characteristics like the ones we saw earlier. When we look at the world map and we color it based on the different climates they have, this is what it would look like. Now at home, what I want all of you to do is to create a poster with what we've learned so far. This means that you might want to color a map using the colors that are on this video, on this slide, and after that you might want to write a little description next to it saying polar was very cold, very dry all year round. Mediterranean was very hot summers, mild winters, and that sort of thing. Okay? You might also want to give some examples of different places you know that have this climate. Now, I'm going to give you a challenge. It says here that we are going to use an atlas, but it's not necessary because I'm going to tell you where these places are in the map. And I want all of you to tell me what type of climate zone would each of these have, okay? North Africa. What type of climate does North Africa have? Have a look at the key and tell me, what type of climate does it have? Well done, everyone. It has an arid climate. What about northern Russia? Have a look at the key. Good job, guys. It is polar. What about India? What about India? What do you think about India? That's it. Tropical. Well done. What about the climate in Central Australia? Good job. It is arid. Well done. What about the climate in Eastern USA? It is temperate. Good job. Well, that was our lesson on climates. I hope you enjoyed it, guys.